Giant structures are three kinds. All of them are giant, which means very big structure. We have the giant metallic structure, giant ionic structure, and giant covalent structure. In this tutorial, we are going to explore giant metallic structure, page 24 in your book. We will learn what are giant metallic structures and what are their physical properties. Giant metallic structures. You can see in this figure different types of metals like bronze, like steel, like brass, and others. Consider this figure. This is the organization of positive metal ions denoted as plus, and in red are the delocalized electrons. In metals, the valence electrons are delocalized so that they are further away from the outermost shell. They consist of a regular array of positive ions in a sea of electrons. So see how they are organized in a sea of electrons, which appears in red because the electrons are delocalized and can freely move. So this is how the ions are organized in giant metallic structures, and we call it metallic because the ions are metal ions.